In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this page is temporarily unavailable on BBC website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are trying to access the homepage of BBC or any page but you're told it is temporarily unavailable, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to try and fix this. First, you want to open your browser afresh and try to troubleshoot it by going to these three lines. So for this case, I'm on Google Chrome. This process should be more or less the same on any other browser. Here, go to settings and look for privacy and security option. And under this, we want to delete browsing history or data. Now click this and choose the length of period you wish to delete this. So for my case, I'll wish to delete for the last 24 hours. You can as well as choose for last 7 days or even all time. You can also choose less. Now here, make sure the below are checked, and then go to delete data, and this will clear all the browsing data for the selected period. Now restart your browser and visit the official BBC website to see if everything has been restored and if you can access the page that was temporarily unavailable. However, if you still experience the same problem, then check and then see that you are not using any VPN. If you have any VPN turned on, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it temporarily to fix this, as the use of VPN must be restricting your access. This also applies to any security app that you might have recently installed on your computer. However, if you're still unable, then most likely BBC might have experienced an internal server error, of which it should be fixed within some few minutes. You'll need to wait for some few minutes, and now if you click on the pages, now you should be able to access the pages without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.